What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So here is the SSD 6 from Intel. You heard me right? SSD 6. This is 2280 SSD NVMe based SSD. Okay, I'm really very much excited. This is 2 terabyte or 2048 GB. Okay, let me just open it. Okay, here we go. And then where is our SSD? We got some manual. Okay, some manual. We got the SSD, but we do not get any kind of kit, which I was expecting to get the kit or something like that. Okay, which is really sad and disappointing. Okay. Okay. I wish the laptop come with a screw for it. Okay. Here we go. Sadly, there's no screw. And then now let me just take out the SSD and then install in the laptop in front of you. Wow. Okay, I'm just coming back. Now I want to install the SSD. Okay, here we go. Yeah, here we go. Now I want to install the SSD. There's one SSD here and second is here. Luckily you got a screw for it. Which one it use, I don't know. Maybe it use some kind of like this one. Yeah, something I think so. Let me take out this one. Okay, that's great. I can take out this screw easily. I'm gonna discharge the electrical magnet. Okay, here we go. There's no foam here, which a lot of people said there will be. Okay, that's simple. Okay, let me just screw it. This is the speed test of the SSD 6. Yes, you heard me right, of SSD 6. As you can see, the read and write is amazing for the price, but I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to copy some file on the SSD 6 just to see the speed test. I'm going to copy a 1.78 GB file and see how fast it is. As you can see, it's blazing fast. Let me copy a big file because I want to copy a big file. Maybe sort by size. Okay, I'm going to copy a 10 GB file. I want some real world performance. It's immediate. Let me, oh, okay. No, I want to copy it because it's on this. Let me copy. I mean, you see, super fast, super fast, super fast. I mean, SSD 6 is more than enough. I don't think so anyone need better than SSD 6, Intel SSD 6 series. Yeah, I hope you get the answer. So it was me, Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and bye.